Daily routines. Emma wakes up early. She eats breakfast, then brushes her teeth. After that, she packs her bag and walks to school. What does Emma do after she wakes up? Tom usually has a light breakfast, a coffee, then he reads the newspaper before going to work. What does Tom do before going to work? Before leaving for school, Lisa checks the weather to decide what clothes to wear. What does Lisa do before leaving for school? Jake exercises every day. He runs in the park and does push-ups. What exercises does Jake do every day? Sarah helps her mom prepare dinner every evening. She sets the table and cleans the dishes after the meal. What does Sarah do to help her mom prepare dinner? Before going to bed, Olivia takes a shower, then she puts on her pajamas. What does Olivia do before she goes to bed? Mark eats lunch at noon. He usually has a sandwich, some fruits, and a juice. What does Mark usually eat for lunch? Daniel likes fresh air. He takes a walk in the park for 30 minutes every day. What does Daniel do to get fresh air? After she gets out of bed, Mia brushes her hair and washes her face, then she gets dressed. What does Mia do after she gets out of bed? Leo plays with his dog in the morning. He takes it for a walk, then gives it food and water. What does Leo do with his dog in the morning? Ben helps his mom with shopping. He goes to the store with his mom. He helps her find things and put them in the shopping cart. How does Ben help his mom with shopping? Lucy likes weekends. On weekends, she wakes up late, eats pancakes, and calls her friends. What does Lucy usually do on weekends?